welcome back. So how many times have you felt like your list of things to do is way longer than your day? You know, we've all been there, pedaling hard and fast, and the faster we go, the more behind we feel.
There's just not enough time.
There's not enough hours in the day.
Where's the time go?
Well, thanks to one of my favorite peeps, one of the most revolutionary concepts we've learned in the 20th century is that time is not a universal measurement. It doesn't matter that we all measure time in the same seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, and months. Regardless of where we live on the globe, time will never be absolute. In Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation basically says that the rate at which time passes depends on your frame of reference. But on a human connection level,
life moves pretty fast.
The more hurried we are, the more disconnected we can feel. You know, how many times have you said, "Hey, how are you doing?" And then you keep right on walking and don't even stop to listen to the response. Right? When we're busy, we're less apt to stop and help other people in need. And we miss out on opportunities to share really simple pleasures. Just hearing the word hurry generates a stress response in the brain. Cardiologists Meyer Friedman and Ray Rosenman coined the term hurry sickness as a harrowing sense of time urgency. And sometimes it feels impossible to slow down.
Whatever happened to stop and smell the roses?
Now, despite its name, hurry sickness isn't an actual medical or mental health condition, but it's a time deficit that affects our neurochemistry, that affects our mental acuity and our social connectedness, and all of that impacts our overall well-being. Now, with all due respect to Albert, we cannot create more time in the day, but we can do something that makes us feel like we have more time. There was a famous study conducted back in 2010. They examined 4 strategies to figure out if we could feel like we have more time, or what they called time affluence. They looked at people's perception of time when they were wasting time, spending time on themselves, spending time on other people, or gaining a windfall of free time. Only one strategy gave people the sense that they actually gained time, and that was when they spent time on others. You know, when we help others, even just for a few minutes, it translates to us as time added to our day rather than lost. So, challenge yourself to give this a try. When you find yourself coming down with a really bad case of hurry sickness, it doesn't actually take much time to make a difference for someone else. And when we help others, when we feel least capable of doing so, is when it does the most good.
Just feels so good to help.
And here's one more tip. Do more things that make you forget to check your phone. To learn more about how giving time to others actually gives you more time, check out my recent blog post.